Hey everyone, today India's love for bikes is unparalleled, and the all-new Bharat Rider 2025 is here to make waves in the motorcycle industry. Designed to cater to Indian riders, this bike combines cutting-edge technology, unmatched performance, and stunning aesthetics, making it a game-changer for the modern era. Key features of the Bharat Rider 2025. Sleek and aerodynamic design. The Bharat Rider 2025 boasts a sporty and aerodynamic design tailored for speed enthusiasts and urban explorers. Its sharp curves and bold color schemes are sure to turn heads on the road. Powerful engine. This bike comes equipped with a high-performance engine that ensures a smooth and powerful ride, whether you're cruising through the city or conquering highways. Eco-friendly technology with a focus on sustainability. The Bharat Rider 2025 integrates eco-friendly features, offering reduced emissions without compromising on performance. Advanced connectivity. Stay connected with the world on the go. The bike features a smart console with Bluetooth, GPS, and app integration, allowing riders to access real-time navigation and notifications. Safety first. Equipped with ABS, traction control, and LED lighting, the Bharat Rider 2025 prioritizes safety at every turn. Its superior braking system and durable build ensure complete peace of mind for riders. Why choose the Bharat Rider 2025? The Bharat Rider 2025 isn't just a bike, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It caters to diverse riding needs, whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a daily commuter, or someone seeking adventure on open roads. Its blend of style, performance, and sustainability makes it the perfect companion for the Indian rider. What riders can expect: a seamless riding experience with exceptional fuel efficiency, customization options to suit individual preferences, affordable pricing without compromising quality. Final thoughts. The Bharat Rider 2025 is more than a bike, it's a statement of progress and innovation. With its blend of style, performance, and technology, it's set to redefine biking standards in India. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates, reviews, and exclusive insights on the Bharat Rider 2025. Would you like me to enhance this further with specific details or additional sections?